Resin art is a process of creating art using epoxy resin. Use gloves before handling resin. Mix the required amount of resin and hardener in the ratio of 2:1. In this video, I have used 4:2 ratio to make 4 alphabets. Mix the resin and hardener at least for 4 to 5 minutes. Leave the mixture undisturbed for 2 minutes. You will see the air bubbles disappearing when kept undisturbed. Take an alphabet mold and sprinkle the glitters in the alphabets that you need. Now pour the resin mixture over the glitters. Add more glitters to fill in the extra spaces. Leave the mold undisturbed for 12 hours. Carefully remove the alphabets from the mold. Using woolen yarn, make colorful tassels. Attach the woolen yarn and the alphabet to a keychain. Your personalized keychain is ready to give to your besties. Wish you all a happy Friendship Day. See you in my next video. Bye bye.